Hey super swing traders, I hope you're doing good. Today we're going to take a look at some charts and see where we can identify supply and demand order flow and trade it for income. Alright guys, today let's take a look at gold, XAUUSD, and see what we can find as far as supply and demand trades, okay, or analysis. Now the reason why I'm analyzing this is because a viewer wanted me to analyze and see what my thoughts are in the market, so that is why I am analyzing it. With my broker, I do not think I'm able to trade it. That is why I usually do not update charts on commodities, is because of that reason. But nevertheless, supply and demand works for any market. Okay, so let's get going. On the monthly chart, we have two valleys, so you can connect the latest two valleys together, and it's in a clear uptrend with demand zone created right here, demand zone created right here. When it's a single candle, you can use the whole thing, but it's just so wide that I don't like it, so I'm just gonna draw halfway. Okay, and for supply, let's look to the left and top, and you see that right now gold is currently touching monthly supply, so no buying allowed. Now let's take a look at the 3 months and see what's going on. Okay, so 3 months, there's supply up ahead, so most likely gold is going to drop because higher time frames are telling us that supply zone selling pressure is way too high up here, so price is most likely going to drop. So does that mean that we're not gonna see a recession because price of gold is going to go lower, and so I'm not sure. I can't tell that, but I can tell that there's supply zone here and there's also supply zone up here. So price is reaching, all-time highs. Not all-time highs, but all-time higher time frame supply zones. So most likely it's going to drop, and this zone would be okay, but it's not ideal because it could bounce in between here, but most likely it's going to break this and come back down here. Okay, let's take a look at the weekly. The weekly, this is a pretty good zone, but again, I mean, this is not really a good zone because you have base rally, rally base, rally base. So we can draw a trend line, a super aggressive trend line. Trend line is broken, creating this really wide base too. So let's see, this base is located within this. Yeah, so because of supply zone and control on the monthly, and this base doesn't look too good, I don't think this base is going to hold. This continuation pattern is probably going to break and go all the way down to this area, to this monthly area of demand, which is located right here. Okay, and so that pretty much gives you the higher view of what price could be doing on the lower time frames too. So we know higher time frames is suggesting price hit higher time frame supply zone, so price is going to go lower, and that's what's happening currently on gold on the lower time frame. Price is in a downtrend now with supply zone created and respected in this trend line, so price is going to go down all the way until this area, but this area has a lot of trading, like what we alluded to, and on the monthly it's not really, it's just one doji candle, so it's really weak. So over the long run, we're expecting gold to go down all the way down here, which is all the way down here. Okay, so we'll see what happens And I hope you guys found this video helpful. Hopefully it gives you some bias on the markets, and because that is how supply and demand works. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed, please click the subscribe button below and click that little bell icon. That way you'll get notified of the next video that I publish. Thanks again for watching.